the shark, babe, has such teeth, dear, and he shows them pearly white. Just a jackknife has on that heat, babe, and he keeps it out of sight. You know when that shark bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows start to spread, and fancy gloves, though, is on that heat, babe, so there's never a trace of bread on the sidewalk. Oh, Sunday morning, don't you know, lies a body just oozing light, and someone sneaking around the corner. Could that be our boy Mac the Knight? From a tugboat down by the river, don't you know, there's a cement bag just dropping on down. That cement's there, it's there for the way, dear. 5 will get you 10, old Mackey's back in town. Gee, by Louis Miller, he disappeared, baby, after drawing out all his hard-earned cash. And now Mackey spends, he spends just like a sailor. Could it be our boy done something rash? Yeah, Jenny Diver, oh, Suki Tawdry, look out, Miss Lottie Lanyard, and oh, Lucy Brown. Yeah, the line forms on the right, babe. Now that Mackey's back in town. Down the Suki Tawdry. Look how Miss Lottie Lanyard and old Lucy Brown. Yeah, the line arms on the right, babe. Now they're back in town.
Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita, and as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really beg you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, please sing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man. Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the side. of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mad